Hi everyone, thank you for following me here. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a circular move in Taishan dance because this is the move we're gonna learn today. It's the first day of our third week, so this is day 11 of 30 days of Taishan dance challenge. And every week we're gonna learn a new move. My first language is French, so sorry if you don't understand me quite well. I'm really trying to do my best here. And so that's how you do the move. You bend your knees. The move have to be done feet together. When we practice, we put our feet apart, especially for beginners as well, so you can understand the move better. But the feet have to be together. Okay? You have to bend your knees. Stand straight, don't move your shoulder, try to isolate your shoulders and draw a circle with your hips. Alright? The knees are a big part of that move, as you can see. So what happens is that you push the front, scrunch your tummy, then you move to the side, whatever side it's easier for you. I am dancing clockwise, but you can do the opposite, that's fine. Just try to do it and see which side is easier for you. That's your side, that's it. We practice both sides, but usually every dancer dance the side that is easier for them to dance. Okay, so push to the front, your knees are together. When you push to one side, the leg of the side you're pushing up have to be straightened like this. I don't know if you can see. When you push back, so your knees are still bent, but your knees come back together. Then you push the other side, the leg straighten, and then front, the knees are together again. Let me show you how it looks. See how the knees are alternate one after the other. Yes, so that's how it's done. Hopefully this video helped, and hopefully you can follow our 4-day practice of this week to get better at that movement. And if we need another week to learn this move, we'll do it. Just let me know in the comment. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in my other videos. Bye.